Stop ants before they get into your home. With just a few natural ingredients, you can make a spray that repels insects instantly. The first key ingredient is an onion. Cut it in half, peel it, then chop it into smaller pieces and place them in a large container. Onions have a strong smell that many insects cannot tolerate. Next, pour in about 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. The pepper creates an additional scent barrier that makes it harder for insects to approach your home. The next ingredient is ground cinnamon, which also has a powerful aroma that ants dislike. Add 1 heaping tablespoon to the mixture. Now measure out 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Its distinctive smell helps repel insects and makes treated areas less attractive to them. Pour the vinegar into the container and mix everything thoroughly. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes so the ingredients can fully combine and release their properties into the liquid. Next, prepare a tall container and a strainer lined with cheesecloth. Strain the mixture through it to remove all larger pieces. Pour the finished liquid into a spray bottle and seal it tightly. Spray it around entry points to your home to help keep ants from getting inside. It also works well on windowsills, around windows, patio doors, thresholds, and anywhere insects tend to appear most often. Regular use of this spray helps create a scent barrier that ants will try to avoid. This is one of the most effective home remedies I've ever used to keep ants away for a long time. Leave a fresh onion by your door, and the results will surprise you. Simply cut an onion and place it at the entrance. But today, I'll show you an even better method. While onions are best known as a kitchen staple, they also hold remarkable properties that make them an essential element in home remedies. Take a large onion and trim off its ends. Then, cut it in half and remove the skin. Onions are natural antiseptics and bactericides. Grate half of the onion using a coarse grater. Onions contain sulfur compounds with antibacterial and antifungal effects. Transfer the grated onion into a large container. Add 500 milliliters of water and half a teaspoon of black pepper, which enhances the onion's effectiveness. Then, pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, known for its characteristic scent that acts as a deterrent. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and let the mixture sit for a few hours, allowing the components to combine and release their properties into the water. Afterward, strain the mixture through cheesecloth and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Use this solution to spray areas near your entrance doors. This natural mixture will effectively help you deal with unwelcome guests like mice and insects in your home. It's an affordable, eco-friendly repellent that works quickly, efficiently, and is safe for your health. Before planting tomatoes outdoors, I always add a few specific ingredients into the planting hole. This method helps produce a bigger and healthier harvest. It's time to plant tomatoes, but first, prepare the soil. Just add these ingredients to help your vegetables grow stronger. In this video, I'll show you the best trick for getting your garden ready. I dig a hole for the mature tomato seedling. In winter, I never throw away wood ash. It's packed with valuable nutrients. Potassium in the ash is especially important during flowering and fruiting stages. It strengthens and nourishes the plant. Toss in a large handful of ash and mix it into the soil. Next, take some eggshells, crush them by hand, and add them to the hole. They're made of about 80% easily absorbable calcium, which supports enzyme activation and root development. Eggshells also contain zinc, fluoride, sulfur, and silicon. Then, add a generous handful of onion skins. The carotene they contain is a powerful antioxidant and immune booster. It helps plants resist disease and fight fungal and bacterial infections. B vitamins in the skins promote root and stem growth. Mix everything into the soil and cover it. Now the soil is ready for the seedling. Tomatoes should be planted on a cloudy day, but into soil that has warmed up. Seedlings should be 6 to 12 inches tall. Press the soil firmly around the stem, and you're done. If you have leftover eggshells, crumble them in a ring around the stem. They act as a natural slug barrier. The sharp edges deter pests, and over time, Moisture breaks the shells down, releasing calcium into the soil. Tomatoes planted this way will be well fed and protected. The nutrient-rich soil supports strong, healthy growth. This onion is all you need to clean a window. It perfectly replaces any glass cleaner and leaves no streaks. Take an onion and cut it in half. Then, start rubbing it on the window, making sure to cover every spot. Onion juice works much better than any cleaner. Now, just grab a microfiber cloth and thoroughly polish the glass. After this trick, you'll get an amazing result. Spotless, streak-free windows, all thanks to a simple onion. Wrap it in paper and place it together with the onion. An onion is a vegetable you'll find in almost every kitchen. It enhances the taste of dishes and provides vitamins. Let me show you a trick you might want to use in your own kitchen. First, prepare a paper towel. Fold a piece of paper in half. Then place another folded sheet of kitchen paper on top of it. This is necessary to increase the thickness of the paper. Next, sprinkle some baking soda in the center of the paper. Baking soda effectively prevents mold and rot by creating an environment that's less favorable for the growth of bacteria and fungi. It also acts as a natural moisture absorber. Carefully fold this paper with the baking soda into a small packet and secure it with a piece of tape. Place the packet in a basket or container with onions or among other vegetables prone to spoiling. By keeping a packet of baking soda with your onions or other vegetables, you help maintain a dry, mold-resistant environment, which prolongs their freshness and shelf life. It's a simple and inexpensive way to reduce food waste and keep your vegetables in the best possible condition. This method will save your garden from aphids. Our ancestors already used it, dealing with unwanted aphids naturally. We want to avoid harmful chemicals, so we're returning to an old trick. Combine onion and garlic and you can forget about aphids. First, prepare one onion by chopping it into small pieces. Onions and garlic are known for their antibacterial and antifungal properties, making them excellent for protecting your garden. Preparing this remedy is simple and quick. Meanwhile, take a pot and fill it with 2 liters of water. Bring it to a boil. While the water is boiling, take 4 cloves of garlic and chop them into small pieces. Gently add the chopped garlic and onion to the boiling water. Let the mixture simmer for 30 minutes. After boiling, set the pot aside and allow the mixture to cool. Once cooled, strain the liquid through a sieve to remove the onion and garlic pieces. Pour the strained mixture into a spray bottle. This prepared solution is now perfect for spraying your garden. Spray it on your tomatoes and cucumbers, especially those infested with aphids. Regular use of this remedy will help keep your vegetable garden in good condition. Thanks to this natural solution, you won't have to worry about aphids, and your crops will be healthier and stronger without the use of chemicals.